Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial in Figma. So in this tutorial, I want to do vertical scroll as we see here, but this isn't what we want to achieve, okay? Because we want our menu bar to be stuck at one position so that this can actually scroll, okay? So we would want to achieve something like this. So we want this to be stuck at one place, okay? So fixed, and then this also be fixed, and then it can just scroll. The elements or the UI can scroll without making these to scroll with the parent body. So that said, I'm going to Figma. I'll click on frame. I'll select iPhone 14. You can choose any of your choice. Then let me give it a background color. Zoom in a bit. Then I'm going to draw a rectangle. First, let's draw something here. Okay, give it a dark position, sorry, a black color. You can decide to round it, but so this is what we want to do. But because of time, we just want to do a rectangle. Okay, I want to show you how this will be. I'll make this fixed. Okay, then we can pick a rectangle again. We're going to draw, or better still, okay, let's start. Let's draw our image card. Okay, then I can round in this, give it any rounding, like any value of your choice. You can decide to stretch it. I'm going to give it an effect, so a drop shadow, just leave it by the default shadow. Then I'll go to Pixabay. I can pick any image of my choice. So copy image, go back to Figma, right click and then paste here. Okay, then we can Control C or just Control D this, then move it down. Okay, I think, okay, let's go. So this is quite okay. Then I'll go to Pixabay, pick any of the image. So I'm going to do this a number of times. Okay, so let me double click, right click and then paste here. So that's fine. So I'm going to populate the rest. So I'll pause this and then come back later. And so one thing you'll notice is this is being clipped. Okay, so part is not showing because of this. Okay, so I'll have to uncheck this. So now we have it showing. Okay. Okay, so I have 5 images. So card components 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now let's do that of the menu. Okay, so I'll go for a rectangle tool. I can draw from here. Okay, I can stretch it up. I can give it can sorry can give it a, I can give it a color. Okay, so give it a dark color, and then I'll go for the ellipse to draw here. Let me click here, and then I'll go here. Okay, I want to round in the top left and top right corners, so we'll give it a value of 30 each. So that's fine. Let's see if it's well centered, or let's center them. Okay, and then I'm going to group them. Control G to group. So now they are now one object. So we have to let's see what so I'm going to multi-select this. So while holding on shift key, I'll click to select, then control G to group. So they are now one object. So just so we have it hidden, like this one's okay hidden, I'll go here. Okay, I'll frame click on it, and then I'm going to click on clip content. So let's see. So it's clip them. So they are hidden. Okay, they are hidden. So now what I'll do, let me click here. I'm going to set this in the prototype. I'm going to set this to fixed, stay in place. Or let's see, just stay in place. And then I'll click this to, and I'm going to also set it to stay in place. Now we can right click this. Okay, that's our card component or image card component. And then we'll convert it into a frame. So frame selection. So now that it's converted into a frame, we can actually you can decide, let me just draw this upwards. Okay, and then we would go to prototype. Still in prototype, we can now change our overflow to what vertical. Okay, and then you can decide to give this a text. Okay, so now we have some time, so let's or better still, let's just ignore it and then go to prototype. So let's wait for it to prototype, to refresh the interface. And this is what we have now. So now we can scroll, and then you can see our um, menu bar is still on at the bottom, and then our this bar or UI here is still at one position. Okay, so basically this is what we want to do. Yeah, so congratulations on learning to vertically scroll. Let's see. So unlike the previous one, what we would have achieved was, you can see this was hidden. Okay, this is not what we wanted. So now we finally gotten what we wanted, which is this one. Everything is fixed, staying at one position, and then we can scroll. Okay, so thank you for watching, and then I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.